that turn heartbreak into heartache in the palm of your hand. And at the end of my hoping, I'll throw that door open and run up that staircase and into your arms. And my home is in your arms. And my home is in your arms. Oh, and my home is in your arms. And my home is in your arms. Oh,
Okay guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know, and subscribe here for more content. This was an example of a custom choreography, which we have 2 packages on our website, which you can go check out. And basically we create a dance specific to you guys, your skill level, and using, of course, your song and your preferences. So if you want to check that out, go for it. We also are selling this choreography now, already created, just as you see here. We have a breakdown that you can go ahead and check out if you want to learn this dance now for yourselves. Without further ado, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.